Okay, the first question in the Unit 1 review is about level of measurement. Okay, remember that our four levels of measurement are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. The nominal level of measurement is always qualitative. Okay, it categorizes or classifies. Ordinal, it can be quantitative or qualitative. It's a scale, a ranking, or putting something to an order like first, second, third. The interval level of measurement is always quantitative, but 0 does not mean none. The only one that you'll see on a test or a quiz, again, is temperature. And then the last level of measurement is ratio. This one is always quantitative. And it is the only level of measurement where 0 means none. Okay, so here in our first example for cars, we're asked to first state what level of measurement gender is. That is classifying. That is the nominal level of measurement. Annual income. Annual income would be ratio, because if it was 0, if you had $0 for an income, you don't have an income. Okay, see how important miles per gallon was. Well, let's see, how important miles per gallon was is on this scale. Not important, indifferent, very important. That would be ordinal. Okay, and the last miles driven per week. Well, if you drove 0 miles per week, you didn't drive. So that would be ratio. Okay, the second question, classifying as discrete or continuous. Discrete, remember, is something that is countable. It will typically start with the number of. Okay, continuous results from a measure. Okay, so distance you travel to school, whether it be miles or kilometers or feet, this results from a measure, so this is continuous. Okay, the time you spent getting ready for school this morning, time uses a measurement, it is continuous. The number of students who are taller than 5'5", well, we have to count how many, so that is discrete. Your weight, we have to use a measurement, that is continuous. E, the number of times you go to your locker per day, we would count up how many times, that would be discrete. Okay, the third example on the first page here says classify the following as inferential versus descriptive. Okay, this is an inference. Or we can even use a prediction. Okay, we use probability. And descriptive describes, it comes directly from your data. So yesterday's Dow Jones average, we can look that up. That is a descriptive statistic. The number of tardies teachers at STAG gave last week, again, we can look that up. It is descriptive. Average goals, David Beckham scored for the England national team in 2001. Again, this is the past. We can look that information up and find that data. D, the projected growth of STAG in the next 5 years. Our keyword here is projected. We'd be estimating, making an inference. And then E, the predicted outcomes of the next World Series, inferential.